Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Anytime. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Today we have a really exciting topic.
Yes, today we are going to learn English by following a real life story.
That's right. You are going to listen to two friends, Sarah and Tom, as they visit Burger King together.
You will hear them look at the menu, order food, talk to the staff, and enjoy their meal.
And while you listen, you will learn many useful English words and phrases.
We will also stop from time to time to explain important words.
So don't worry if you are a beginner. We speak slowly and clearly.
Just relax and enjoy the story.
But before we start, we have a small question for you.
Listen carefully to the story and try to find the answer.
Here is today's question.
Are Burger King burgers cooked over real fire or on a flat pan?
The answer is in the story. If you find it, please write it in the comments.
Writing your answer in English is great practice, so please try.
All right, are you ready?
Let's begin the story.
Here we are. Burger King.
It's been a while, right?
Yes, maybe 2 months. I'm really hungry today.
Me too. I skipped breakfast this morning.
Oh no, that's why you walked so fast.
Sorry. Let's look at the menu board first.
Okay, the photos look so good. I want everything.
We can't eat everything, Sarah.
I know. But look at that big burger.
That's the Whopper. It's their most famous burger.
Whopper. That's a funny name. What does it mean?
It means something really big.
That's a great name for a burger. It really does look big on the poster.
Yes, 2 hands big, I think.
2 hands big. I like that.
They also have smaller burgers, like the Junior. Good for when you want something lighter.
And look, they have chicken, fish, and salads too.
Salads at a burger place? Nice.
The sides are not just fries either. They have onion rings too.
Onion rings! I love those.
A meal set is about $10 to $12. Not too bad.
Do they have a breakfast menu too?
Yes, eggs, toast, and hash browns, but only until 10:30.
Oh, that's early. I always wake up late on weekends.
Me too. Lunch it is then.
They also have kids' meals. Look at the little drink cup.
So cute. Kids' meals sometimes come with a small toy.
Kids must love that.
By the way, Burger King is in more than 100 countries.
Really? Do they sell the same food everywhere?
Not exactly. Each country has some different items.
Like what?
In some countries, they sell rice burgers or spicy chicken.
That sounds amazing. I want to try all of them someday.
World tour someday. Oh, by the way,
What?
last time I came here, I saw something really funny.
Funny? Tell me.
I'll tell you inside. Let's order first. I'm too hungry.
Hey, that's not fair. Now I really want to know.
After we order. Promise.
Fine, let's go in.
Hi. Welcome to Burger King. What can I get for you?
Hi, we'd like 2 meal sets, please.
Sure. Which sets would you like?
1 Whopper set and 1 chicken sandwich set.
Great choice. Would you like to change anything on your Whopper?
Yes, please. No pickles and extra cheese.
No pickles, extra cheese. Got it.
Wait, I can really change things like that?
Of course. Our motto is, have it your way.
Have it your way. I like that.
It means you can build your burger exactly the way you like.
That's really nice. My friend might want to change her sandwich too.
No problem. What would she like?
No onions, please. And can we get extra tomato?
Sure. No onions, extra tomato. What drinks would you like?
1 cola and 1 orange juice, please.
Any size?
Medium for both, please.
Ice in the cola.
Yes, please. And no ice in the juice.
Got it. Ketchup or mayo for the fries?
Ketchup, please. 2 packs?
Sure. Do you need straws and napkins?
Yes. 2 of each, please.
Eat in or take out?
Eat in, please. Ooh. Oh?
Do you have our app?
No, I don't. Is it useful?
Yes, you can save money with coupons.
Oh, nice. I'll get it next time.
Good idea. Your total is $15.20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change and your receipt, and here's your order number. Please wait at the table. We'll bring your food soon.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
Okay, let's stop here for a moment.
That was a great ordering conversation. Let's look at some important words.
First word, set or meal set. A meal set means you get a burger, fries, and a drink together. It's a package.
It's usually cheaper than buying each thing separately, so it's a good choice.
Second, customize. When Sarah said no pickles, extra cheese, she was customizing her order.
That means changing it to the way she likes. You can customize almost anything at Burger King.
You can say, no onions, please, or extra sauce, please, or can I have it without pickles?
Third, eat in or take out. Eat in means you sit inside the restaurant. Take out means you take the food with you.
In British English, people sometimes say takeaway instead of take out.
Fourth, receipt. A receipt is a small paper that shows everything you bought and how much you paid.
Always take your receipt. It's useful if there's a problem with your order.
Fifth, coupons. Coupons are special discounts. With the Burger King app, you can get coupons and save money.
Apps like this are very common now at fast food restaurants.
Good. Now let's go back to the story. Tom and Sarah are sitting at their table. Their food just arrived.
Wow, the food came fast.
This Whopper is huge.
I told you, Whopper means something big.
Okay. Now tell me, what did you see last time? You promised.
Right. So, I was sitting near the window.
And?
A grown man was wearing a paper crown.
A paper crown? Like a king?
Yes, a yellow one. He was eating his burger with his whole family.
That's cute. But why was he wearing it?
That's what I wanted to know too. But then I figured it out.
Tell me.
Well, the shop's name is Burger King, right?
Right.
King. So the crown is the symbol. Kings wear crowns.
Oh, that makes sense. But why was a grown man wearing one?
The crowns are usually for kids. They come with the kids' meal. And on a child's birthday, the staff gives one for free.
That's so sweet. Kids must feel like a real king or queen.
Exactly. Actually, I got one when I was little.
Really? How old were you?
Maybe 6 or 7. I wore it all day at home. My mom took so many photos.
That is so cute. Do you still have those photos?
Yes, my mom keeps them in a box at home.
Show me sometime. I want to see little Tom.
Maybe someday. These days, people even post crown photos on social media.
Like a fun family trend?
Yes, families take photos together with the crowns. So maybe that man was just having fun with his family.
I love that. A crown for everyone.
Now try a bite of my Whopper.
Oh, wow. This tastes different from other burgers.
Right? It has a smoky taste.
Yes, smoky. Why is that?
Because they cook the meat over real fire.
Real fire, not a flat pan?
No, they use flames. It's called flame grilled.
Flame grilled. That's such a cool phrase.
Most other burger places use a flat, hot surface. But Burger King uses fire.
So the fire gives it that smoky flavor.
Yes, when the fat drops onto the fire, it makes smoke, and the smoke goes into the meat.
You learn fast, Sarah.
Thank you, teacher.
How are the fries?
Hot and crispy. The salt is just right. Not too much.
The lettuce in my burger is really fresh too, and the tomato is bright red.
I like that they put lots of vegetables. It feels a little healthier.
A little, it's still a burger.
A little healthier is still healthier.
Let's stop here again for a moment.
Flame grilled. That's such an important phrase. Let's look at it.
Flame means fire. Grilled means cooked over heat.
So flame grilled means cooked directly over fire. That's what makes Burger King taste different.
And now you know the answer to our question from the beginning.
Are Burger King burgers cooked over real fire or on a flat pan?
The answer is over real fire, flame grilled.
Did you get it right? Write your answer in the comments.
Now let's go back to the story. Sarah goes to order dessert.
Hi again. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much. The Whopper was amazing.
I'm glad to hear that. What can I get for you now?
2 apple pies, please, and 2 milkshakes.
What flavors for the shakes?
1 vanilla and 1 chocolate, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Our shakes are quite thick. You might need a spoon too.
Oh, really? Then 2 spoons, please.
Of course. And the apple pies are warm. Is that okay?
Warm pies? That's perfect.
They're a classic here. Very popular. Have you tried one before?
Never. I'm excited.
I think you'll love it. The apples are soft and sweet inside.
Wonderful. I have one more question. It might sound a little strange.
Go ahead. I hear strange questions every day.
Okay, could we also get a paper crown? It's for my friend. She really wants one.
Oh, how sweet. Of course you can have one.
Really? Thank you so much.
The crowns are mostly for kids, but we give them to nice people too.
That's so kind of you.
Here you go. 1 paper crown for your friend. It's bigger than you might expect. It fits most heads, kids or adults.
Is it okay to ask for one even without a child?
At most shops, yes. Just ask kindly like you did.
Good to know. Thank you so much.
Your total for the dessert is $7.80.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change and receipt. Your number is 42. I'll bring everything to your table.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You're back. What took so long?
I had a special order. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes? Why?
Just trust me.
Okay, they're closed.
Now open them.
A paper crown? For me?
Yes. I asked the staff and she was so kind about it.
I can't believe you got one. Let me try it on.
How does it look?
You look like a real queen.
Does it fit okay? Not too tight?
It's perfect. The yellow looks great on you.
Now smile. Let me take a photo.
Ready.
Got it. Now you are Burger King too.
Now I am the Burger Queen.
Welcome, Queen Sarah.
Thank you, Tom. I'm really happy today.
It's a small thing, but it's fun.
It really is. Now eat your apple pie before it gets cold.
Oh, it's still warm. And the shake is cold and sweet.
Warm pie and cold shake. Classic.
By the way, do you know when Burger King started?
Let me think. Maybe the 1980s?
Earlier, 1954, in Miami.
Wow, that's over 70 years ago.
Yes. And the Whopper came a few years later in 1957.
So the Whopper is almost 70 years old. A very old burger.
Some shops also sell plant-based burgers now.
For people who don't eat meat?
Yes, the world is changing. From one small shop in Miami to over 100 countries.
That's amazing. Let's come back next month.
Yes, and I'll bring my crown.
Let's take a photo together next time too.
Good idea. I'll save today's photo on my phone.
Send it to me later, please.
Of course. And let's try the chicken fries next time.
And maybe the double Whopper for you.
No way. That's your job.
Of course, my queen. Now let's finish our shakes.
Cheers!
And that's the end of today's story. Wasn't that fun?
I loved it. Sarah and Tom had such a nice time at Burger King.
And we learned so many useful things along the way.
Let's do a quick review. What were the important words and phrases from today?
First, I'd like and can I have. These are polite ways to order food.
For example, I'd like a Whopper meal, please. Or, can I have a medium Coke, please?
Second, customize. You can change your order at Burger King. No pickles, extra cheese, no onions. All of that is customizing.
You can say, can I have it without onions? Or, can I get extra sauce, please?
Third, eat in or take out. Are you staying inside or taking the food with you?
Eat in, please, or to go, please. Both are correct.
Fourth, flame grilled. This is how Burger King cooks their burgers. Over real fire.
That's what gives the Whopper its smoky taste.
Fifth, receipt. Always take your receipt after paying.
Sixth, if you don't understand something, say, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?"
The staff will always slow down and repeat. Don't be shy.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to order food.
Just be clear, be polite, and smile.
The staff deal with many different customers every day. They are used to all kinds of accents and all levels of English.
So please don't be nervous. Just try.
Every time you practice in real life, your English gets a little better.
And one day you'll walk into Burger King and order without even thinking about it.
That's the goal. Natural, confident, easy English.
Now, one last time. Today's question.
Are Burger King burgers cooked over real fire or on a flat pan?
If you found the answer, write it in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe.
We upload new videos every week with slow, clear English for beginners.
Thank you so much for watching Practice English. Anytime.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.